So viewers, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to disable the power manager. Okay, so now we can see here I'm using the Tambo mobile phone. Okay, and in this time, so it is telling me that when I'm trying to turn on the uh, torch light, and it is telling me that, okay, just wait for a moment, what's happening here. So I think it is doing the auto lock. So if I press here in the light, so now you can see it is telling the power manager enable and my torch light is not working, right? So in this time, so just you have to go in the menu and you have to click in the settings, and you have to go in the Tambo zone, and now you can see the first option is the power manager, right? So just you have to go here and you have to click in the note, and just you have to go in the status, and now you can see the power mode is enabled, so just you have to click in the off. Okay, so now we can see here my power mode is off. So if I again click here, so now you can see my torch light is working. So in this way you can also disable your power mode in Tambo phone. Hoping that you get few ideas. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.